Hey art friends, today we're gonna draw two puzzle pieces. And I think they look like two best friends. This works great as a card. You can make a homemade card and put this on the front and even say best friends on the top. And for this drawing, I'm using a pencil to draw the main shapes. Then we're using our markers to draw the rest of the details and add color. I hope you're excited to follow along with me and you have your art supplies ready. Let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first use our pencil to draw two squares for our two puzzle pieces. Let's start in the middle of our paper, and we could also draw some shape instead of just making them square. So let's curve the lines. I'm going to start with the one in the middle and curve it just slightly. Then let's curve the top on both pieces, and we can curve the sides coming down on the left and also on the right. And then we can curve the bottom side to each piece. Now you can spend extra time working on these two shapes and get them just the way you want it before you move on to the next step. But I'm going to switch to my marker. You can keep using your pencil if you want also. So take as long as you need to get those just the way you want them. All right, now let's draw the puzzle shapes to each piece. Let's start with the top, and we're going to draw the piece coming out of the top and back in. Then we can draw this piece connecting into the other. So let's draw it curving this way in. And then we can draw a piece coming down. So they kind of complement each other by having the piece on opposite sides. Now we can also draw the shape coming into each piece. So let's draw one coming over or in on this side. And we could also draw one coming up from the bottom on the left side. Okay, now let's trace over the pencil lines, except we're going to use our eraser so we don't get too confused. Let's erase inside of this puzzle piece in the middle. And we can also erase here and down at the bottom on both pieces and the top on the left side. Okay, now let's switch back to our marker and we can trace over the pencil lines. I'm going to fast forward since we're just repeating or drawing over everything that we've already drawn. Next, let's make our puzzle pieces 3D. I'm going to draw an extra line that comes out on the side here. We can also add that same kind of shape down here. So that second line to make the puzzle thicker. Then we can also add thickness to this side, coming down and connecting back in. Now on this side, let's flip it and we'll make the other side thicker. So there we go. We'll come out like that. And we can come out again down here. And then let's add thickness inside and down here at the bottom. And there we go. We finished our two puzzle pieces connected together. We could also add a funny face, but you could leave a funny face off. You could add words like I love you. You could add best friends. That would be really cool. But I'm going to add a funny face. You can pause the video and add whatever you want to your two puzzle pieces. Now it's time to color our drawings. This part will fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings too. And we did it! We finished drawing our two puzzle pieces. They look like two best friends. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!